If you're running local models with Ollama, there's something you should know. There's thousands of models on Hugging Face that work with Ollama. They just don't show up on Ollama's official list. The one I just pulled is one of them. Ollama pulled it with just one command. For almost any task you're trying to do, somebody has probably already fine-tuned a model that fits better than the default model you're using. The default models, they try to do everything. The fine-tunes are specialists, and specialists usually do specialist work better. There's also a category I'm going to show you in a minute. These are called uncensored models. They handle a lot of stuff that Claude or ChatGPT just refuse to do. In just 6 minutes, I'll show you the command, the example, and what to watch out for. Ollama has a curated library. It's good, but it's still a small slice. Most fine-tunes, the niche ones, the specialist ones, the uncensored ones, live on Hugging Face. Ollama can pull most of them with one command. One thing to clear up before the demo, open source does not automatically mean uncensored. The base Llama, base Jeba, or base Quen pull them straight from Ollama and they refuse most of the same things Claude refuses to do. That's a separate step. Those fine-tunes mostly live on Hugging Face, not on Ollama's main list. So basically, the command to access these models is Ollama run hf.co username and repository. And let me search for this Super Gemma uncensored. This is a fine tune of Google's Gemma open source model. Once you land on the model page, you can click on use this model. If you're not using Ollama, you can use the same model with other tools like LM Studio, Onslaught, Pi, VLLM, etc. But this video is focused just for Ollama, so we'll click on Ollama. And you just copy this, Ollama run. It'll give you the exact command that you need to put. And that's what I did, and I downloaded the model. Let me show you the difference between a corporate filtered model and an uncensored one, with something kind of silly, but I think genuinely telling. I'm Nepali, by the way, and we make jokes about ourselves all the time. Like there's this thing called Nepali time. Basically, Nepalis have a reputation for always being late. The wedding starts at 6, people show up at 8. We know this about ourselves. We laugh about it. These are the exact jokes Nepalis make about Nepalis. So I figured I'd ask Claude to write a joke in that same vein. Roast my own culture. That should be safe, right? So let's see what Claude says. Write a joke roasting Nepali culture. And Claude, like I expected, says, I would rather not roast Nepali culture as a whole. Jokes that punch an entire culture tend to land on real people, right? But what about I go to this uncensored model and I ask the same thing? Yeah. And, just like I expected, the joke is about Nepali people being late, right? In Nepal, 5 minutes doesn't mean 300 seconds. It's a vague spiritual concept that can mean anywhere from 40 minutes to 3 business days, right? The model decided roasting any culture is off limits, full stop. And honestly, it's kind of weird, right? These model companies are deciding what's right and what's wrong for you to ask, not what's actually right or wrong, what they think is right. And that's the trade-off these big models make. They're built into play safe, which means they refuse stuff that's completely fine. With an uncensored version, you get to make that call yourself. So when you're picking models on a Hugging Face, who packages the thing actually matters. Some people do this carefully. They set things up properly, test before publishing. Others just slap something together and ship it. So definitely look at the person who uploaded a certain model and look at their followers, their activity, and things like that before you download any random model. And look, not everything on Hugging Face works cleanly with Ollama. So for some of the models, you don't even have an option to get the copy command for Ollama. Ollama cannot pull it directly. Multi-model stuff with vision or audio sometimes doesn't wire up properly with Ollama. The point is, though, Hugging Face models expand what you can run on Ollama. The general point of this video is Ollama's library is a great starting point, but the wider pool is on Hugging Face. Most people running local models on Ollama don't realize this is just one command away. And that's it, guys. If you're already running Ollama, try using one of the models from Hugging Face. And if you find the interesting model worth sharing, please mention it in the comments below. If these videos are useful to you, subscribe. Check out my other local AI and LLM videos on the channel. If you want one-on-one help, you can find me at cloudyeti.io/meet. If you have anything else that you want me to cover, please let me know in the comments. I'm diving deep into local AI and LLMs, and I would love to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.